Pipito, 10 to shoot. Foul. First team foul on Mapua.
Mapua, I will take 22, huh?
Oh,
Mapua.
okay, you talk.
Get me 1 and 3.
Huh?
Only. 1 and 3 get me.
Okay, 23, 21.
I will just all. Okay, take him, please.
No, I don't take all.
Why
I need
don't
for,
take all?
for the tailoring. I need to see referee. So other.
I will take all, huh? Take all.
No.
2-0. Time to shoot. Short. Yes, now 4-0. Nice shot. Balitran. Turnover. It's 4-0. Litran versus Mapua. Time to shoot. Steal again by Litran in 8 minutes. Foul on number 17. Second team foul on Mapua.
Pag naibigay mo yung balance, minus man.
1 and 3, this is 3.
3 for what?
1 and 3. Brought it.
Minus it one. I need to pay the
One,
referee.
خلاص 1 and 3, خلاص.
You are my, you know good now.
Only one.
No. I need my referee.
Only one.
5-0. Traveling violation, traveling. Seven minutes and 50 seconds. It's Litran versus Mapua, our second game. Now, Pipito. Short. 14 na shot clock, 14. Back to Pipito, 10 to shoot. Bang! On Pipito. Too strong. 14 na shot clock, 14. 10. In and out. Now, Pipito. In and out. Pipito again, rebound. Pipito, top. Same ball. It's 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 7-0. Favor of Litran. Foul. Foul on number 18.
May nagbigay ng 100 si Malajos.
Tingnan mo to. Taliad mo total sa kuwan Mapua.
Sarami natin yung bola isa, ha?
Oh, sige sir. Sir, wag doon sir ha, kasi kasali ka sa laro. Technical ka. Dito ka lang, dito.
Bigay ko lang doon sana.
Akala ko ikaw eh, sige sir.
Short. 6 minutes. Now, Pipito. Whoa! What a great move by Pipito. Now, 9 against 0. It's 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Rep.
Baba!
Now, Pipito again. Unselfish pass. Back to Pipito. Pipito, nice pass. Outside. Fake. Still 3-second violation. Now, let's run. It's 5 minutes and 34 seconds. It's 9-0 run against Litran. Time out on Mapua. 5 minutes and 29 seconds. 9 against 0 in this run.
Dito tayo.
14 to shoot. Short. Aki. Steal again. Aki now. Drive. Aki goes to goal. Oh, lucky. 11-0. 5 minutes. It's 11-0 run coming from Litron. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Now 3-11.
Lapit.
Pipito, 14 to shoot. Too strong. Stop. Rebound. It's a ball. Electron ball. 14 to set clock. 14. 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Now Pipito. 10 to shoot. Short.
Box.
Short again. Traveling violation, traveling. 4 minutes.
Nice defense. Takbo. Tuloy, tuloy, kaya. Nice, out sila.
Same ball, same ball. 14 to set clock. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Pipito. Aki. 10 to shoot. Pipito rebound. Flap. Pipito again. Again too strong. Rebound on Mapua.
Ikot, ikot pula, ikot. Baba.
Short now Aki.
Tatlo, bigay.
Aki drive. Pass. Whoa! Now 13 to 3. 10-point lead on Litron. It's 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Again, in and out. Rebound by Aki. 2 minutes and 20. Pipito. 14 to shoot. 10. Wow. Foul on 0-0. Timeout. On Litron. It's 13 foul on Mapua. It's 2 minutes. Still we're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. 13 against 3. Litron. Free throw shot given by Aki. Two minutes and 5. Too strong. Yes, now 15-3, third 12-point lead on Litron. Maku Etran. Pipito. 14 to shoot. Bang! On Pipito. 1 minute. Short. 45 seconds. Oh, now 19 against 3. 16-point lead on Litron.
Ito yung binigay ko. 4,275, tapos kumuha pa silang pang-taxing 30.
Lahat ba po? Anong court po?
Na? Ito nga yung bayad ng jersey.
Baka nang nag-ready.
21-3.
Ito nga.
Magkano total niya?
Kukunin ko pa pati yung total.
Total mo lang yan.
Ayun na nga yung total, oh.
Total lahat na total.
23 against 3. Our score. Second quarter ready. It's 20-point lead on Litron. Second quarter ready. Second quarter.
1,600.
Yung isang player ko muna, uwi na may pasok pa raw.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Kaos. It's 23-6. Steal. Nice move, Carusale. Too strong. Now, Norcos. Carusale. Yes, on Carusale now 25 against 6. 9 minutes.
Ba't 4,450 na ang lumabas?
Bang, bang, bang. Now 9-7.
Yan, total mo.
Dipinsa lang, dipinsa!
Additional lang.
Taas kamay! Uy, travel! Travel! Nice rep! Eh, baba!
Bakit ano yung gano'n?
1,600
Oh.
plus 1,300.
Ayun na, ayun na!
1,300.
Kasi additional lang yan.
Good!
Now 27-8.
O, sa kabila! Kabila, kabila!
Ano 4,000 na nga yan, no? 1,350 yan. Ano ka?
Ano ba?
Siguro na mag-add.
Calculator na nga.
Oo. 5,007 yan. Ang ba't 4,002 lang? Total ng 5,700.
5,700 equals 5,700.
Short.
Tapos, magkano binigay mo? Ano to?
Yan na nga yung na nga yung binigay ko. 4,275.
Oo, minus mo yan. Minus mo yan po. Ito yung binigay mo. Minus mo yan, 5,700 to 4,200.
Double!
10 to shoot. Short.
5,700 minus 4,277.
In 7 minutes. $27-8. It's 19-point lead on Litron. Short.
Ayun. Minus mo yan.
1,425.
Compare ka na 1-4.
Oh, Kaku. 27 to 10. Same ball. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 27 to 10.
Last lang kaway, nice.
10 to shoot. Steal again by Kaku. Short. Wow! Basket down and one against Kaku. Foul on number 24 on Litron. First team foul on Litron. First on number 24. 27 to 12. Now 15-point lead on Litron. Basket timeout, rep. Basket timeout. Timeout on Litron. It's 27 to 13.
Magkano pa niya?
Ha?
Magkano yung
1,400.
magkano yung minus? Magkano yung
Box!
5-7 minus? Magkano?
Atake, isa lang, atake!
Magkano?
Kalimutan ko na.
May minus mo.
1,450.
Ilis na mo dyan.
1,450. 1,450.
14 is set clock, 14.
Okay na.
Magkano pa rin yan?
Ha?
Magkano to?
Awag lang, madulas muna.
Magkano to?
Ulit ka man eh. 1,450.
Nice!
Ito ang balas ito.
Litron ball, 5 minutes.
Ito, magkano to? Magkano to? Magkano yan?
Yan yung binigay nga.
Magkano nga yan? Minus mo yan.
Ito nga yun.
1-4.
1,450.
14 to shoot.
Lapit, lapit!
Now 29-13. It's 16-point lead on Litron. Short. Norcos. $31 to 13. It's Litron ball, Litron. 31 to 13. Norcos 14 to shoot. Ten. Traveling very still troubling.
Plaster niyo mula, plaster.
31 to 13 our score. It's all Litron. Whoa! In and out. Kick ball. It's Litron ball. 3 minutes. And still we're live and alive on the Facebook page. Short, Kaku rebound. Same ball, 14 the set, shot clock, 14. Now, Norcos. Carusale. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Carusale! 34-13. Now, Camus. Nice move. Drive. Sidestep. Camus. Bang! Basket count and one again by Camus. Foul on number 24 on Letran. Second team foul on Letran.
Posadas.
First personal foul on Posadas. 2 minutes. (16 to 34). 18-point lead on Letran. Now Norcos. Pass to Carusale. Same spot. Too strong. Top. Rebound on Mapua. Kaku.
Easy pass lang, easy pass.
Foul. Foul on number 5. 35.
Norcos.
On Norcos. Octopus Norcos. 13 foul on Letran. First on Norcos. 1 minute and 37 seconds. 34 against 17. Short. Slitan ball, Letran.
Haras. Marami tayo. Haras. Lapit. Kaya yan sa gitna.
14 to shoot. Wow! Alam mo na 36 against 17.
Huwag yung i-trace.
Kaku. Foul.
Next one, Tom.
Warning for penalty on Letran. Foul on Carusale.
First third.
First personal foul on Carusale. Warning for penalty on Letran. 1 minute and 9 seconds.
Box out.
18 to 36. Pabon to Norcos. 14 to shoot. Back to Norcos. 10 to shoot. Fireman. Drive. Short by Fireman. 45 seconds.
Last shot tayo.
Fine.
Fireman. 30 seconds. Whoa! Left-handed. Now 38 against 18. Back to 20-point lead. Oh, Letran. Foul. Foul on number 35 on Norcos. Penalty.
Norcos second.
Second personal foul on Norcos. This is our second match, second game for our NCAA Season 4. May basketballista is 38 against 18. Nice shot by Kago. 10 seconds. Whoa! 14 to 20. And for second quarter, it's 20 against 40. 20-point lead on Letran. Sir, picture ko muna kayo, sir. Mapua ball, mapua.
Pilihan ba to sa ano? Wala. Third quarter, 5 minutes.
Ang nakalaro, kung hindi pa nakalaro lahat, walang sub. 4, isa lang sa sub namin. Yung nakalaro na. Ha?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Yung papalitan dyan, isa lang ha, kasi ang 4 dyan, nakalaro na, ang isa lang. 5 minutes tayo, 5 minutes.
Malajos. Short. Now, Baba Basilio. Kaligunan. Whoa! What a great move by Kaligunan. Now 42. 2-20. Short. Kalikunan. Nice move again by Kalikunan. Now 44 against the 20. Oh! Big Daddy, short foul. And a free throw shot by Big Daddy. It's 8 minutes and 51 seconds to spot up. Foul on number 18 on Litran. First team foul on Litran. First on Nino. 2 free throw shot by Big Daddy. Oh, and a shot coming from Big Daddy. Go! 22 against the 44. Nino, too strong. Rebound by Basilio. Baba Basilio. 14 the set at 14. Still on Malajos. Malajos drive. Alarcon! Big Daddy Alarcon. Now 24 against 44. It's 10-20 point lead back to Litran. Baba Basilio.
Baba. Ayan.
Yes! Now 26 against 44. Kalikunan. Seven minutes and 17 seconds. Warning on Mapua for delay in the game.
Sino yung sila?
Now Malajos. Too strong. Now Nino. Too strong. Whoa! Now 28-44. It's a 6-0 run coming from Mapua. Time to shoot.
Pausing Basilio.
Bang! Basilio. 46-28, 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Malajos. Back to Malajos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Now 31-46.
Ano yung kutay? Social media ng bag. Ano sa bag puti? Puti ng bag puti. Lalagyan.
Saan ba? Adidas?
Battery.
Now 48. Time out. On Mapua.
Bakit? Ito mo na din. Ay, okay, okay.
48-31, our score. Same spot. Short. 14 the set cut, 14. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Now 34-48, 14-point lead, all in front.
27.
Nino.
Legaudi.
Pasilio,
Bang.
too strong. Rebound again by Mabua. 5 minutes. Wala Diyos. Time out. All in front. It's 48 against the 34. It's 14-point lead now. Only Tran.
Hangin kayo. Ito mong masabi mong hangin. Sa tulong ito pagka-step back ni mo, nahanginan man. Bigili, tatong mo gamay. Kaya kahapon niya magulang. Doon siya, padung ng gawas.
Hangin ba, Diyos?
Naghihangin ba yung samot na gawas?
And we're still live and alive for our Facebook page.
Set out, yeah, set out. Yeah.
Shout out, shout out.
Ay pa!
Ukamos.
Set out, biliham lang.
Basilio. Kalikunan. 14 to shoot.
Kausing.
Kausing. 10 to shoot. Steal again.
Dagan!
Whoa! Now 36 to 48. It's 12-point lead on its run.
Regaudi.
Now Kalikunan. Back to Kalikunan. Wow! Kalikunan. 50 to 36. Back to 14-point lead on its run. Malajos.
Iso profile!
10 to shoot.
Iso profile!
Ah, he's still by Kausing. 5.
Nice one!
Short.
Ano kay hangin?
Foul.
Wag yun na!
First team foul on Mapua.
Okay na!
Sige!
Yan!
Opo na!
Steal again by Mapua.
Nice one!
Whoa! Now 38 to 50, 12-point lead. Oh, Litran. It's a 12-0 run by Litran on Mapua. Kalikunan. Ah! He's still by the Big Daddy. Now 1 and 1. Wow! Basket count! And 1 again. 30, 40 to 50. Foul on number 28 on Litran. Kalikunan. It's 10-point lead now on Litran. 50 against 40.
Ano yung kikingon nga? Pagsuway. Sa isa pa nga. Sitan pa gani.
Basket trap, basket shot, Brett, basket shot. Brett. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. Now 43 to 50. It's 7-point lead now, Litran. 3 minutes.
Ano na, nawala ng 20.
Pow! Sub dito sa left, sub.
Tikong. Tikong.
2 minutes and 49 seconds. 13 foul on Litran. 50 against the 43. 7-point lead now by Litran. It's a 12-0 run against Mapua. Whoa! 45 to 50. Now 5-point lead on it run.
Ano na magic ka?
Still again. Boom, nice pass. Short. Rebound on Basilio. Tosin. Cadusale. In and out. Now rebound on Mapua. 2 minutes. Kalimutan. Cadusale. Oh, in and out again. Rebound by Alarcon. Big Daddy. Steal by Basilio. Nakalikunan, 1-on-1. Nice defense. Oh, Big Daddy. Kalikunan. Now 52-45. 7-point lead on its run. It's 1 minute and 35 seconds. Too strong by Joe. Basilio, Cadusale. Drive, skate, foul. Foul on number 30 on Joe. Second team foul on Mapua. First on Joe.
Regular.
Ligaw din.
1 minute and 9 seconds. 52 against the 45.
Surang.
Foul. 13 foul on Mapua. First on Rigalde. Ten to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Tausen. Now back to 10-point lead on the try. It's 55. Still by Garusale. Basilio. Garusale. Oh!
Stephen! Ding, ding! Nice one! Yawa tayo!
Foul. Fourth team foul on Mapua. Fourth team foul against Mapua. 14 seconds. Warning for penalty on Mapua. Ten.
Ay, wow.
Black. Basket count. Basket count. It's 47-57. 10-point lead on Litron.
Kaya yung charger sa pan. Sa
Litron ball. Litron. Litron. Technical foul on Mapua. Or delaying the game. Delaying the game. Traveling very should traveling.
Bang.
Oh, now 59-47.
Aki.
Kunin mo yung number 50. Number 50. Shot! Box lang, box! Balik, balik! Kulang.
8 minutes. 12 point lead Litran. This is the fourth quarter, last game. Now Norcos. Short, Kaku. Oh, Pipito, now 61 against 47.
Bigay sa tres. Dong kako, bigyan mo sa kabila dong. Dong kako, bigyan mo.
14 to shoot.
Espas! Lima tayo sa loob, lima. Bigayan tayo. Gitna. Bigay mo, Rulo. So,
Aki.
Oh, time out. On Mapua, it's 63 against 247. Back to the game.
Kain ka po.
Inintay ka na nila. Di ba?
Kain ko sila, gutom mo sila ng oras tayo.
Bitaw! Pwesta dong, bitaw!
Too strong. Foul.
Mawawala kasing momento kasi di binibigyan.
Foul on Litran. First team foul on Litran. Foul on number 69.
Ay, pag uminit yan. Sayang yung pinsa namin.
It's 6 minutes and 27 seconds. 63 against the 47.
Salang daw. Salang. Idol, Victor, box ka lang pala. Dapat pala talonin mo.
Wala, nag-charge ko.
Box out lang, box out.
Charge.
Kasi nahulog din yan sila. Bigyan pa pa isa lang.
10 to shoot.
Amen. Dalawa.
Aki. 10 to shoot. Traveling belly is in trouble and turnover again on Mapua. It's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Tap. Kaku to Kamos.
Kaya, Kamos, dito na! Tatlo kayo! Screen, para dito na!
Whoa! 49 to 63.
Sundan mo lang yun.
It's 14 point lead on Litran. 5 minutes! Oh! What a move by Pipito! Traveling belly is sub.
Maganda yung guard.
Subrep.
Usapin mo ako ng 4 minutes. Hindi na.
Mamaya! Pinilin yung bola!
5.
Sige, wala ba? Huwag pilit. Sige, baba.
10 to shoot.
Kuha.
Oh! Sabrap! Fireman out, fireman.
Gwapo ka na, Tan.
Ay,
4 minutes na lang daw, kasi nag-overtime. But they gave me instruction only 10-15.
Foul. Foul on number 24, on Litran. Usaras. Second personal foul on Usaras. Second team foul, Litran.
Nice.
50 to 65, 15-point lead on Litran.
Let's go, dali.
51 against the 65. Airborne tayo. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. $14-point lead on Litran. It's 65 to 51. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Screen. Balik ang mula. Tatlo.
Yes, on Norcos.
Kita ka dito na po.
1 minute and 22 seconds. Basket sub tayo rep ha, basket sub. Ay shot, Balcon.
Oras na lang yan, ha? Kaya yan.
1 minute.
Nice.
Now 69 to 52. Foul on Norcos. 13 foul on Litran. 45 seconds. Third personal foul on Norcos.
Bigay mo sa kabila.
Bang! Oh, Joe!
Gamit oras.
20 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds.